In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the default keyboard on your Android phone and install new ones. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. And you can do it on literally any Android phone you want. So firstly, if you want a different keyboard, you got to make sure that one is installed. Right now I'm on Samsung, so I also have my Google keyboard. But if you want to go over and find a keyboard, go over to your Google Play Store, go to search, and then just go ahead and type in keyboard like so. And then there's going to be a bunch of different keyboard applications. I prefer, the Gboard, but obviously there's going to be loads of ones that you could go through to see which one you like the most. Then once you found it, go over to your settings application, scroll down, and you're going to see general management as one of the options. And then go ahead and click on it, and then go over to keyboard. Now at the very top, you're going to see default keyboard. Go ahead and click on that, and here you're going to see any of your keyboards that are installed on your phone. So at this point, you can choose your Gboard as my main one, or anything that you want, and you can also disable and enable different keyboards as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.